How to manage trusted device on Wells Fargo app. Managing trusted device on Wells Fargo mobile app involved configuring security settings to allow recognizing secure the device you use for banking. So what you want to do is open the Wells Fargo app and navigate to Security Center to view your account's current security status and add manage security features. In the app settings, you could set up or remove Face ID or Touch ID fingerprint sign on. If you enable this, the device become a trusted biometric device as well. And in order to manage your app or a third-party tools you have access to your account data, you could simply go to settings on your device and then locate privacy and security, and you want to go to connected apps. Next, from a connected app menu, you could select a specific app and choose remove access to revoke permissions for the device or applications as well. So this way you will be able to manage trusted device on Wells Fargo app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.